Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and make a strawberry cream cocktail. I have some marshmallow cream here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to get a lot of it out. Maybe try to smooth it out just a little bit on the rim. And then we're gonna put some sparkles on it. So this could be as a mocktail as well. We're gonna put some, whiskey. Some whiskey, y'all. We're gonna put some whiskey in here, but you could make this as a mocktail and the kids can enjoy it, or you know what I mean? Y'all can enjoy it or whatever. So I'm just slowly going around with the sprinkles, trying to get some of the sprinkles on some of the marshmallow cream. So I did red cream in gold, giving me Christmas more than Valentine's, but you guys get the drift. Okay, y'all, so we have the Jenny's Gooey Butter Cake. So we're gonna take, but you can use just straight vanilla for this, but I want to be a little more fancier, so we're gonna do 2 scoops of that. And plus Jenny's is better, you know, 2 scoops, but Jenny has vanilla too, so we're gonna do 2 scoops of ice cream. We have one ounce of whiskey. We're gonna have 2 ounces of our strawberry cream, Bailey strawberry cream. Two chopped strawberries. Got some half and half. You can use half and half, you can use milk, or you can use coconut milk. I'm gonna use half and half for this, and we're gonna do, you can do 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna do 3. Okay, and we just need to do 1/4 teaspoon of DivineKuizine Sugar Spice. Always showing you ways how to use my products. So then we're gonna go ahead and just blend everything together. Pour it in there. So it was simple. Put everything in the blender. So I think I'm gonna get a straw for this one, because you know it just feels like straw for me. And we're gonna go in. Oh my God. It's like a dessert. Just with a little bit of alcohol. But that Jenny's, you know, because it had little pieces of cake in it. And then we had the fresh strawberries in there. And then we had the, so we got the ice cream, got the half and half cream. I mean, it's just like a milkshake, basically a spike milkshake. I could drink this all day. I'd be probably fat as hell because this is good. It's just, I taste the cream, I taste the whiskey. And I'm not really a whiskey. Whiskey seems like a man's drink, you know what I'm saying? But this is delicious. When I say delicious, I am not even over exaggerating. Oh my God. Love it, love it, love this dessert drink. So this is another drink that you can do. Valentine's is coming up, Galentines. You and your girls can, you know, put different, you can use vanilla ice cream, coconut milk, half and half. But to get the recipe and the different variations, go to DivineKuizine.com.